Welcome friends. In this video I am going to tell about how bool returns most of the cases false. In which cases bool returns false. You already seen that there is a how and which situations bool function is returns you true and which cases a bools are returned or false. In this video you clear about it. How some of the values of bool are general returns the false. I also cover some of the conditions and statements in the previous video. Go that video and see first, then come to this video. It is easy for you for understanding. So let's see. Suppose I will take in as a print bool, and within the bool I will take in as a false. So what is going to be written here? See, it is written here false. Okay, then print bool, that's a 0. So here these are the cases which mostly it returns the false. Print bool, it returns you bracket false. Print bool square bracket. Print bool curly bracket. Then print bool and there is a double quote. Okay, all the cases you see how it is written to the false. There is also in the case of object I will mention here how it is written to you false. See, suppose there is a class my obj. Within the class there is a function def and that is a len, and it returns the 0. So you have to create my obj equal to my obj function. Print bool my obj. See what is it is going to be written here. Len takes 0 positional argument. Oh yes, you have to define here self. Okay, that's it. It returns the false. Okay, boolean object the object यहाँ, sorry यहाँ पे you have to write here object returns let's say object returns false. You understand how it is going to be work here? So I will show you how false return, what is 0 return, parenthesis, square bracket, curly bracket, and a double quote which is also presenting the string. All the things where I am here defining you through bool function how it is going to be written only false, only false. So here you know this bracket is called a tuple, this bracket is called a list, this bracket is called a dictionary, this bracket is called a string. Okay, so these are the points. Fine, understand how it is going to be work. Okay, so here is the len which is generally inbuilt function. This is the inbuilt function I will taken as a self, and the my object is the class, and the creating the my object is the object, and this object is returns the false. Why it is returns the false? Because here we returns the 0. If it returns the 1, it will show you true. If you go for the 1, it show you true, and if you returns the 0, it is show you 0. See, okay, you understand how it is going to work. Further, if you have any doubt and on the which, and you also go for the comment box and type there other false statements which are generally written by the bool function. Okay, I go through it and check it, and also added the comment in a video. Fine. If you have any doubt, you also mention on the comment box, and please like and share this video and click on the bell icon. Don't forget that is okay. uh, when I am upload any future video, you will get the notifications, and click on the subscribe button also. When I uploading new videos, you will get also notifications. Fine. Thank you.